Hey guys, it's Oberstadt, and in today's video I'm going to be using two of my Milani palettes to create a maybe fall-ish inspired eye makeup look. This will be like the third fall inspired makeup look that I have done recently for my channel, and I just recorded my face products using like new products or newer products to me, or products I've only tried like once or twice. So this will most likely go up first, and then the eye look will go up after. So I have my Bold Obsessions palette, and then I also have my Pure Passions palette. And my friend Gina is staying with us right now, and she's like, those palettes look the same. And I was like, okay, let me show you something. And so what I did was I took like this color, this color, this color, this color, and this color. She's like, those all look very, very similar. So I swatched them all out on my hand to show her that they're all different. They have different undertones, they have different like shades, and she thought that they were like identically the same shades until I swatched them, and she's like, oh, you're right, these are different. I was like, yeah, I was surprised too, because I thought the same thing that she did. So I'm going to be starting off with the Bold Obsessions palette with this first shade up here, which is called Sweet as Honey. And I'm going to carry it under my eye as well. I close my eye, number one, so that my eye pulls towards my nose, but I also don't want eyeshadow in my eye. And I like how they have a nice big mirror in it. Alright, I think from here, I'm going to go into this one, into this cranberry shade down here that is, Heat is On. I'm going to grab another BH brush. I have 4 or 5 BH brushes in front of me and a Wet n Wild brush. I guess it's like a burgundy brown shade. And I'm going to lightly go right up with my brush angled up underneath my lash line. Just in the outer corner. And then if you worry about this outside edge, you can just come over here and just swirl your brush and then back and forth just to get that blocky look off. Now to do the same thing on the other eye. I'm almost feeling some 70s vibe here with my hair all flipped out and the orangey shades. And it was just a mirror, but it didn't break, so. If you notice there are like weird little lines here, it's because my eyelid moves as I apply product, because I'm old. And you can always blend that out or get product and then just pull the skin taut and then blend it to get rid of those weird lines. And then when you release your skin, it should have gotten rid of, yeah, it should have gotten rid of those lines. If you need more blending, then just pick up your brush. Again, going up. And then just taking that brush I used first to blend out the one weird spot right here, and then just to blend the corner. Now the cranberry shade in this palette down here, which is the Bold Obsessions, this is Red Between the Lines. It's like a satin shade, so I'm gonna take my flat, dry, Wet n Wild brush and see what kind of color payoff I have with it dry. It kind of looks the same either if I use my finger or the brush, so. And I lightly dragged a little forward. I'm gonna go underneath my lash line as well. Right up against my lashes. Just a little bit of fallout. All right, I think I'm going to take this like gold shade right here, which is Gold Getter. There is a little bit of fallout. Taking that same brush I had the burgundy on, I'm gonna flip it over and then just grab a little bit of that shade and put it up against my lash line here. And because the burgundy is still there, you're gonna get a hint of that burgundy with it. Kind of make it a crayon apple color. That's pretty. And I think, because this one's kind of like a shifting color, this one here that's called Pink Sand, I'm gonna grab that on my pinky. Okay, that might be a little too much. Let me try and tame that with the brush. I went a little bit too high on that. Went a little too high, a little too low. And I think I'm gonna leave my brow bone alone. Let me do some mascara. I don't know what I want to do. Okay, Let's do the Pixie Rose Glow liner in my waterline, and then we'll do mascara. And I blinked to transfer some of it up to my upper waterline so that there was color there, and then if any of it like from my bottom lash line had like run off, I just apply a little bit more. I'm gonna grab my Falsies Flared mascara and put this on my upper lashes. And then I'm going to grab the Benefit Roller Lash and do my lower lashes. And then there's a spot over here I want to try and blend a little bit better with that cranberry shade. Going back into that Bold Obsessions palette, I'm going to grab this like burgundy shade here that I did out here, because it looks like the gold got a little bit carried away. And I press over my shimmer shadows like that just because of the fact that if I don't, number one, I'll have shimmer all the way up to here, and two, I'll get like glitter fallout on my face, and three, where the crease is in my eyes on both of my lids, it seems to like eat the shadow. So I always like press over the shimmer shades so that they kind of like stick a little bit better. Now, if you wanted to, you could do like a dark eyeliner, but I think this is pretty on its own. I think it's really pretty. And I'm only wearing a lip gloss right now. I have a couple here that I could use. Let me throw a little bit of this orange one on. Oh, that kind of goes really nice with the eye look. So what do you guys think? Fall enough? When I think fall, I think like golds and burgundies and rich dark plum shades and like forest greens and rich dark like ebony, like blackish browns and chestnut colored browns, the really rich warm colored browns. That's what I think. Even like oranges, like bright orange colors, like the color of like pumpkins, that kind of orange. That's what I think when I think fall. So this is definitely giving me some fall vibes. If you want to see more fall looks, then let me know. I am Rebecca Oberstadt. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of my makeup today. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Have a great day or night, wherever you are. Bye.